ShaktiKiran. Guys, now I am going to show you the unboxing of this box. I don't know what's inside of this. My brother booked this for our daughter. It was a birthday gift. See the weight here. It was about 3.44 kgs. So let's open the item. My Oh, this packing is so nice, very safety. Here we are having the bell. And it costs 1499. Let's just see what's inside. Take out the bags. Wow, it's a scooter, sports. See here, sports baby. 3+ years. Our daughter is having 3 years. In June she will go to school. Nice. Take out this product. First I will show you the box. So here they are already mentioned 3+ years. It's for babies. Always wear a helmet, knee and elbow pads when riding. Check that all nuts and bolts are well tightened before riding. This scooter is not designed for road use. Use only on smooth floor, paved and dry surfaces free of sand, gravel or dirt. Do not ride at night or in areas of traffic. Children under 10 years must have adult supervision. Scooter, here is also the same thing. Here, but they mentioned this MRP is 3,999 including taxes. Kismis 3-wheel kits for multi-colored big red new. So let us open this fast. I think we can open it from this side. Sorry, we have to open by side. Nothing is there in the box. Keep the box aside. Oh, sorry. We are having this also, but oh, who kept this inside? It's already broken. We got it as damaged. Actually, the packing is not so good. The box is good, but the packing is very cheap. See the box. Here they kept a receipt. Thank you for your purchase from our store. We really appreciated you. We have left one surprise gift along with this product. If you like the quality of product and free gift, then you can give us rating for that. Open Google Chrome, browse open Amazon website with www.amazon.in, then log in with your Amazon ID password, then open new tab with amazon.in/feedback. You will see your last purchase where you can find this order, and you will see this is 5 star. Oh, he wants 5 star from me. Well, there is 5 star and comment box where you can select 5 stars and wrote some positive comments and submit. I don't know how the product is. First I will see how we have to fix this. Later I will show you the video. How can we give 5? These are already damaged, and see this. This is the gift that he kept inside the box, but it is also damaged. Hi guys, now I will show you how to fit this scooter. So here we are having brakes and handles. Here is the front wheel and these are the back wheels. Okay, wait, I will show you. See, we are having a bolt here, and the other side we are having this. We can rotate like this and make the bolt loose. So the bolt is loose now. We have to drag this to this hole. ऐसा करके now we have to make this stand up. See, now it was able to move. The handle will fit it to this. This one, so I'll show you. Here the handle comes straight here. See here. It is right now. Now tight the bolt by rotating the same. First step 1 and step 2 is to fit the handles. To fit the handle, see here we are having 2 holes and we are having bubble to the handle. press the bubble and fit it to the hole. See, like this. Now the handle is not moving. Now do the same for the other side. See, we have fitted the handle successfully, and now I will show you how to increase the height of the handle. So here we are having two holes and we are having this bolt here. By opening this bolt, now we have to drag this up. At certain height it will get stuck because the bubble comes to this hole. Now if you want to increase the height, then we need to press this bubble and we need to drag it like this. Then the bubble comes to the second hole, and see the height now. The height is increased by 1 feet. So this is the assemble of this baby scooter. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for my channel and do support to me so that I can make many videos like this. Thank you.